okay, I still really don't get this entire handheld gaming trend. However, I can't deny that the ROG Ally is looking at a much better deal every passing day, because guess what? We finally have the price. And guess what? It's actually not that bad, because the price of ASUS's own handheld console has recently leaked and it appears it will cost $699. So, nice then, I guess. At that price, it's only $50 more expensive than the top-end Steam Deck. And for that price, you get a lot of improvements over Valve's first attempt at a handheld gaming console. You get a 1080p 120Hz screen, a much more powerful AMD chip, and not to mention Windows 11 as standard. All of that means that even at $50 more, it is still a fantastic deal. Now granted, the Steam Deck can also be found at a plethora of lower prices if you're happy with, say, less or slower storage or a slightly worse screen. However, that doesn't mean that ASUS doesn't have an answer, because as we recently discussed, a cut down version of the AMD Z1 chip powering the ROG Ally has already been pictured, and it appears that it will be powering a dumbed down and also probably less expensive version of the Ally as well. So what, is the takeaway that ASUS are just winning the handheld gaming war now? Well, no, it's never that simple, and of course we have to wait for the thing to actually come out to see if there's any first generation weirdness going on that can come from ASUS's first attempt at a handheld gaming device like this. And come on ASUS, I know you want to send me one as a review sample, please? No, like seriously, please, I'm begging you at this point. But either way, let me know what you think of this pricing down in the comments below. And while you're still here, maybe also check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. I'd also like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Justin Rage, Elavronyak, Polish Roka, Mexum, Neshin Ulcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. Down in the video description below, you're also going to find our merch store and our other social media links as well. But anyway, that's not it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.